YS Jagan Mohan Reddy visited Harikrishna Gokula Kshetra and paid land worship to Gokula Kshetra. The Harikrishna Gokula Kshetra, which is being set up at a cost of 70 crore rupees at Kolanakonda, is all set to be built. ISKCON undertook the construction of Sri Venkateswara Swami and Radhakrishna temples, art galleries for performing traditional dances, training center for youth and construction of yoga meditation centers will be undertaken. This is the largest project in AP on behalf of ISKCON. Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy has been invited to attend the Mahashivratri celebrations to be held at the Srisailam Sri Brahmaramba Mallikarjuna Swami Temple. Revenue Minister Vellampalli Srinivas and Srisailam Temple EVO Lavanna met Chief Minister YS Jagan Mohan Reddy at his camp office on Friday. The temple priest blessed the Chief Minister with Vedic mantras and presented him with photo frames of the deities. Afterwards, he was asked to attend the Mahashivratri Brahmotsavas to be held in Srisailam. Ex-MP Undavalli Arun Kumar questioned Telangana Chief Minister KCR that why should he was angry over the AP split. Speaking to media on Friday, he said KCR should talk about the injustice done to the AP and should combine with AP to question the BJP. Will KCR admit that the AP split was done according to the rules? He said that AP had announced the passage of the bifurcation bill in the Lok Sabha 8 years ago. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah have spoken in the Houses of Parliament on the injustice done to the AP in the partition. The Chief Minister should respond and set up an email and ask for public opinion on the AP split. Chandrababu and Jagan were doing injustice to the AP by fighting themselves. He asked whether they would try to further funds that should come from the central. Ex-MP Undavalli Arun Kumar said that it was unfair for CM Jagan not to speak about the injustice done to the state. TTD reveals decision to allot Padmavati Nilayam Tiruchanur to the new collector's office of Tirupati district. The new collector will start working from Ugadi with the instructions of the government in the building allotted by TTD Devasthanam. Ganja creates a stir in Gudivada. Police have confirmed that ganja is being smuggled under the guise of a beautician. In Krishna district, Gudivada Halimunisa Begum was arrested by the police in Gudlavalleru on charges of possession of ganja. According to Gudlavalleru police report, Halimunisa Begum is working as a beautician and selling ganja secretly, and she is separated from her husband, cohabiting with a boyfriend named Sadiq. Sadiq was recently arrested in a ganja case and shifted to Vijayawada jail. Gudlavalleru in this context, police raided Halimunisa's residence and seized 550 grams of ganja and registered a case. A female laborer was died when she fell into a lift at a farmer's dairy near Jangareddygudem, Lakkavaram in West Godavari district. Midde Lalita, at the age of 30, a woman from Ravikampadu village, has been working as a laborer in Lakkavaram farmer's dairy for about 3 years. During the day, she was working on the top floor at the elevator in the dairy when she accidentally fell from the top down and died. The dairy management, with the help of co-workers, shifted the body to Jangareddygudem area hospital for post-mortem. The deceased has 2 children, they do not have the father, and now they lost their mother too. It's very sad to hear. Public associations and Lalita's family members are demanding a justice for Lalita's family. For more updates, keep watching AP19 News.